Okay, welcome to Knowledge Hub video classes. I am Adar Shastri. Let's start with the new topic, which is yet another very important and very easier topic of the nose and paranasal sinuses, that is the lateral wall of nose. ये जो lateral wall है nose का, it is a region of nasopharynx का एक region है जो कि filtering और humidifying करता है the inspired air को, ठीक है? That is the role of the lateral wall of nose. Now let's start about it. Yet another very big discussion over here, which is presenting. Okay, so ये जो कॉकी है, this word, okay, कौनची क्या बोलते इसको? It's the three bony projections. Okay, it's three bony projection, that is the कॉकी, and this is also going to be increase the surface area. Increase करता है surface area. Increase the surface area. और किस लिए करता है? For ताकि नोज का एयर कंडीशनिंग हो सके. For the nose air conditioning. Okay, ये एयर कंडीशनिंग कर सके नोज का, इसलिए जो है सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज करता है. That is very important. After it there is a whole thing which is एयर कंडीशनिंग का हो गया. अब आगे की कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि लेटरल वॉल ऑफ नोज जो कि सेपरेट करता है नोज को, दैट इज द पॉइंट्स. ओके ओके फॉर ऑर्बिट अबव, मतलब अबव जो रहेगा व्हिच इज अबव हियर इज द एथमोइडल एयर साइनसेस इंटरवेनिंग. ओके, फॉर ऑर्बिट अबव एथमोइडल एयर साइनसेस, नीचे में बिलो में मैक्सिलरी एयर साइनसेस और मैक्सिलरी साइनस बिलो, और लैक्रिमल सैक एंड नाइजो लैक्रिमल duct in front. Okay, so this is all about 3 points which separates the nose or the lateral wall of the nose. Ethmoidal air sinus हो गया जो कि above है, और नीचे में maxillary sinus and lacrimal sac and nasolacrimal which is in front, lacrimal and nasolacrimal. Okay, now a lateral wall of nose is subdivided into again 3 parts. Again subdivided into 3 parts, which is the small depressed area which is in the anterior part called the vestibule. Small depressed area है in the anterior part, that is the vestibule. It is lined by the modified skin containing its skin stiff and curly hairs. Okay, curved hairs है. curly नहीं, curved बोल सकते हो, you can say curved hairs. Okay, so skin stiff and curved hairs called the fibrissae. Okay, small depressed area हो गया which is the vestibule. छोटा depressed area, that is anterior part vestibule. It is lined by the modified skin. It is modified containing skin stiff and curved hairs. Okay, I think it's containing not skin. I will tell you earlier. Okay, fibrissae. मिडल पार्ट जो है कंटेन करता है आर्टरियम ऑफ मिडल मीटर्स, बीच का पार्ट. ठीक है, पोस्टीरियर पार्ट कंटेन्स द कॉकी, एंड कॉकी का भी जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब अर्लियर डिस्क्राइब दैट कॉकी क्या है. इट्स द 3 बोनी प्रोजेक्शंस है, सरफेस एरिया को इंक्रीज करेगा फॉर एयर कंडीशनिंग द नोज. ओके, coming to the skeleton topic of it. अब lateral wall का जो skeleton है, whatever it is, ये तो पहले bony part होता है, और skeleton cartilaginous part is also being there. Okay, अब इसका skeleton सबसे पहले कैसा रहेगा? एक तो ये skeleton कैसा है? It's partly bony, it's partly cartilaginous, and it's partly, yes, it is again a very interesting for it. It also having the, okay, So the skeleton of the lateral wall have the bony part. It's having three parts. It having the bony part, is having the cartilaginous part, and having the soft tissues. Soft tissues भी होते हैं. तीन प्रकार skeleton है of the lateral wall. That is the bony part, cartilaginous part and soft tissues. इसके कई सारे parts भी हमको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे skeleton के. Then cartilages के भी देखने. And then after a lower cuticle part जो होता है इसका, इसके बाद वाला cartilages lower cuticle part जो होता है is covered by a fibrofatty tissue. उसको with the skin, okay? So fibrofatty tissue से उसको cover up किया है lower cuticle part of it. Let's start with the skeleton. इसके जो points है वो हम याद कैसे करने वो देखते हैं. See, nasal है first, तो nasal, lacrimal, lacrimal पहले देख लो, lacrimal, then labyrinth of ethmoid with the superior and middle. I think it's middle. Okay, superior and middle. Conky, which is you know about it. हाँ, conky का देख लिया. Conky जो कि separate करता है, ठीक है. Conky जो separate करे उसको, that is the meatus. When it is separated with it, meatus. Okay. That is the meatus का definition. Nasal, lacrimal, labyrinth of ethmoid with this superior and middle conky. Okay. Then after it is the frontal process of maxilla. Frontal process of maxilla. Then medial pterygoid plate. Perpendicular plate of palatine together with the orbital and sphenoid processes. Inferior nasal conky contains the spongy bone. याद रहेगा इतना, ठीक है. देखो, nasal, lacrimal and labyrinth of ethmoid with the superior and medial conky. It's so easy. Frontal process of maxilla and all this one. Now cartilages is so easy of that of the bony part. Like cartilages is having the superior nasal cartilage and inferior nasal cartilage and 3 or 4 cartilages of ala. That's it. खत्म इतना. बस bony part देखना है. Bony part को एकदम आसानी से देख लो. कैसे करना है? Nasal, lacrimal, labyrinth of the ethmoid. Okay, with the superior and middle conky, frontal process of maxilla, medial pterygoid plate, having this perpendicular plate of palatine together with the orbital and sphenoidal processes and inferior nasal. So this completes the lateral wall of nose. This comes to ends to this of the topic. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.